Hello guys, I'm Bob.
I'm Adrian.
I was looking at you though.
So it does go.
Hello, welcome back to Rebel Classics. I'm Adrian, that's Bob.
Yeah.
Bob, yes. And today is going to be a bit different. We're going to do a shop update because we are not doing any major project. We are doing a lot of little jobs on a lot of cars. So we're just going to take you along for the ride.
I mean, okay, so that one we're actually rolling into. We've got a kind of a plan what to do next, and it's going to be roadworthy in a few weeks' time, so you'll probably see more of that. Camaro, it's mostly waiting on parts, another month maybe. I don't know, it's terrible. Waiting is the worst. All of you probably know it anyways.
And the Astra, which is the best car in the shop.
Obviously. Yeah, we'll do a big A-wing and some white tyres on it. I mean, we were thinking of a 1J in the back. We'll see how it goes.
Okay, shall we just get on with it?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to start with the Astra.
Probably.
Yeah, let's go then.
It's done. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you know.
So basically, it doesn't need replacing.
I mean,
Perfect.
it's the best. Like, yeah, that's the best kind of job when you don't have to do it.
So it's an advisory, but it's good enough that we.
Yeah, that's.
It will stay an advisory for next MOT.
No,
You don't have to change anything.
we're gonna sort it. We might sort it before the next one.
If it starts coming.
But
So moving on.
because it's awkward as well. Leave it. Yeah, that's it. Go on then.
Hey.
So. With all of that, the Golf is free.
Hey, we can take it out. We haven't said we take it out, but we need to take it out.
Yeah, it's kind of exciting to be fair. So it's a fairly big moment. That's the first time we're gonna drive the Golf out since we came back from the body shop. We're not gonna go into many details about it.
Yeah, but Astra's out of the way, that went quickly. We're gonna talk about the Camaro, but first, we just want to go for a drive in this, even if it's around the shop. So,
Just yeah.
let's go!
It is working.
It goes two.
It does all the right turbo noises.
You don't have a spare seat, do you?
No, you would have to be in the back.
And there's a back seat. I'm up for that ride.
So the knocking sounds are the exhaust is just
Rattling?
yeah.
It's like mid-jet because there's no headrest or anything.
No, there's nothing.
And also we're doing it all on a private road.
The exhaust is driving me crazy.
Yeah, it's almost like the Astra.
Almost.
Almost, not as bad. Well, actually no, it's worse. But that's probably because there's no carpets in this car.
But it's fairly well tuned to open throttle, so that's at least. So it does go, and it does go fairly well as well. So
Love the sound.
yeah, and I'm not giving it too much.
And back in.
It makes all the right noises.
Oh yeah, I love it. Didn't even drive it backwards then.
No, that's better. Look at that. We just go from that point of view somewhere. What do you think? I'll kill it. I'll kill it for now, and we'll see in a second.
Alright.
So your comments, part 2, electric boogaloo. It's going to be written through, and then
Yeah, roll
I'm not
the
going to say, oh, that's perfect. Yeah, we're ready.
Don't do it. 10 sekund. Raz, dwa, trzy,